Can you give all the differences in 10 seconds? What is the shortest way in subtracting whole numbers by fractions and mixed numbers? Example 1. 1 whole minus 3/5. Since our denominator is 5, it means that we have to divide the whole into 5 equal parts. So this can be renamed as 5/5. So we have 5/5 and then we subtract 3 out of 5 or 3/5. Taking 3 out of 5, we have a remainder of 2/5. Example 2. 1 whole minus 5/8. Since our denominator is 8, we have to divide the whole rectangle into 8 equal parts, which can be renamed now as 8/8. Subtracting 5/8 from 8/8, we get a difference of 3/8. Example 3. 1 whole minus 7/9. Since our denominator is 9, then 1 whole is renamed as 9/9. Then subtract 7/9, we get a difference of 2/9. Number 4. 1 minus 8/10. 1 becomes 10 over 10. For our denominator is 10, then minus 8/10, we get 2/10, which can still be reduced by 2 because both 2 and 10 are even numbers. So we get a final answer of 1/5. Number 5. 1 whole minus 7/15. 1 whole is divided into 15 equal parts, thus it can be renamed as 15/15. Minus 7/15, we get a difference of 8/15. Number 6. 1 whole minus 6/9. 1 whole can be renamed as 9/9, then subtract 6/9 from it, we get 3/9. This fraction can still be reduced by 3, so we get a final answer or difference of 1/3. Example 7. 2 wholes minus 5/6. Our denominator is 6. Therefore, in 2 wholes, one of them is divided into 6 equal parts. Thus, we can rename 2 wholes as 1 and 6 over 6. Subtracting 5 out of 6 equal parts, we get a difference of 1 whole and 1/6. Number 8. 5 wholes minus 6/8. Since our denominator is 8, in 5 wholes, one of them is divided into 8 equal parts. Thus, we can rename 5 wholes as 4 wholes and 8/8. Taking 6 out of 8, we get a difference of 4 and 2/8. Since 2/8 can still be reduced by 2, our final answer is 4 wholes and 1/4. At this time, let us subtract whole numbers by fractions without illustrations. Number 9. 7 minus 4/5. Our denominator is 5. It means that 1 whole out of 7 wholes will be divided into 5 equal parts. Thus, we can rename 7 as 6 and 5/5 minus 4/5, so we get 6 wholes and 1/5. Number 10. 4 wholes minus 8/12. Our denominator is 12, so 1 out of 4 wholes will be divided into 12 equal parts. So we rename 4 as 3 wholes and 12 twelfths. Subtracting 8 twelfths from it, we get 3 and 4 twelfths. Dividing both by 4, we get 3 and 1/3. What if a whole number is subtracted by a mixed number? Number 11. 7 minus 3 and 3/9. Our denominator is 9. this tells us that 1 whole out of 7 wholes is divided into 9 equal parts. So we can rename 7 as 6 and 9 ninths. Then subtract 3 and 3 ninths. Having mixed numbers with similar fractions, we can subtract right away the whole numbers. 6 minus 3, 3. 9 ninths minus 3 ninths is 6 ninths. Reducing 6 and 9 by 3, we get a final answer of 3 and 2/3. Number 12. 100 minus 8 and 5/7. Our denominator 7 implies that 1 whole out of 100 is divided into 7 equal parts. So 100 is renamed as 99 and 7/7 minus 8 and 5/7. 99 minus 8, 91. 7/7 minus 5/7, 2/7. So the final answer is 91 and 2/7. For your exercises, subtract the following whole numbers by fractions and mixed numbers. You may pause the video if you want to answer these exercises by yourself. These are the answers. Thank you guys for watching. Again, whatever problems we have, whether in math or in life, there is always one or more solutions. In subtracting whole numbers by fractions, we use renaming to get the difference in the shortest way possible. In our family, can we rename ourselves as obedient and loving to get to the heart of our parents and siblings? This is Teacher Zilla reaching out to you from Cagayan de Oro, your Pinay math teacher.